Okay guys, so been to Steak and Lobster, now I'm at Burger Lobster. As you can tell, we're outdoors because of COVID measures. I mean, they've got the heater up there. And my first drink is, of course, my strawberry daiquiri. I feel like since I come back from Nigeria, that's all I want. So the plan is to get the combo for 2, which comes with the lobster roll, burgers, and lobster. A whole lobster. So hopefully we get more lobster flesh this time. There's COVID measures in place that you have to actually have the app, check in, and all that jazz before you... Oh, here comes my... Yes, here comes my daiquiri. I was scared for a second that it wasn't mine, but it is.
I'll come back for the food, yeah?
Okay, so wait, what I do miss about Nigeria is that they make it overflow. Like, why is my glass, like, why is there gaps? Why is there space? Look, there is space. Fill it up to the top. So for starters, we have the croquettes, which are cheesy lobster croquettes served with a herb dressing. So yeah, these lobster croquettes are nice. They're like, so the croquettes are decent.
A bit fishy though.
Is lobster not seafood?
Oh, it's lobster that's in it.
Would guys, this spot has infiltrated my face. It's happening when you come back from a nice country and you come back to some dead ass weather. Something that has quantity and hopefully quality. So this is called a pistol punch.
Let me test it.
Okay. It's tasty. I like it. The quantity makes sense. You see it. It's a long figure eight, figure eight. That daiquiri was a waste of money. His money. His money.
We're splitting the bills.
He wants to go Dutch again.
We're splitting the bills.
Okay, so sometimes don't always go for what you know. Try something different. So the pistol punch, I rate more than the strawberry daiquiri. One, because quantity, and secondly, quality. So this is nice, sweet, my kind of thing. So the food has arrived. So we've got the combo. So we've got the lobster roll. I got half a burger, another half a burger's there. Half a whole lobster, some fries, some salad. About to dig in and taste it all. So the lobster roll, I'm just gonna take some off the top because it's like a prawn mayonnaise kind of thing, but obviously with lobster. I think it's good, but damn, it's salty.
Is it?
In my household, we don't eat salt, so I like the roll that they've used. I want some of that to take home. I've never thought of sprinkling cheese on top of lettuce. So obviously, as we're dining outside, you have to eat quickly, or your food's gonna get cold because these new COVID measures is the ghetto. COVID has us eating outside like seagulls. Onto the burger. That is. This is medium rare. It looks rare, as in I can still hear the cow. But let's. What do you see? So Burger Lobster give you more lobster. That's a fact. Like, how have I just like cracked open the thing and look at this? Look at all that lobster. If I don't just dip it in this and then just. You think I could do that? Take a lobster. I was fishing for the lobster. Here, the lobster is right there in your face. So the verdict is Burger Lobster over Steak and Lobster. And do you know what's mad? Like, there's still more inside. Like, look. You think I could get that at Steak and Lobster? Bluffing, mate. The last bit of lobster that I have, as you can see, lobster has meat. And I have some garlic butter left, so... Listen, this is more than what I had at Steak and Lobster. I will say this again. If you want lobster, go to Burger Lobster over Steak and Lobster. Because So because I had braces, yeah, I tend to carry my own type of like toothpick with me. He was looking around saying, where did you get it from? Call me Bush, but I can't have lobster stuck in my teeth. So the verdict is in for the final time. Burger and lobster over steak and lobster. Cocktail wise, food wise, lobster wise especially. Ignore me with my toothpick. It's essential though, get it from Lidl. Bargain. Definitely satisfied. No need for dessert or another cocktail. That concludes my 360 review of Burger Lobster. Guys, if you can, head to Burger Lobster and enjoy yourself. Bye!